Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ranch sauce without mayo. Many people love ranch, but sometimes want to avoid mayonnaise. This recipe offers a fantastic, lighter alternative that still delivers that classic tangy, herby flavor you crave. It's incredibly simple to prepare, taking less than 10 minutes from start to finish, and uses common ingredients you likely have on hand. Get ready to enjoy a fresh take on a beloved dressing. To create our delicious mayo-free ranch, you'll need a few key ingredients. Our base will be 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt or sour cream, providing a creamy texture. Then, add 1/2 cup of buttermilk for that signature ranch tang and thinner consistency. For the classic flavor, fresh herbs are essential. Think 2 tablespoons each of chopped dill, chives, and parsley. Finally, season with 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Making this ranch is incredibly straightforward. First, in a medium-sized bowl, combine your 1 cup of Greek yogurt or sour cream with the 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Next, add all your finely chopped fresh herbs, the dill, chives, and parsley, along with the garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper. Whisk everything together vigorously until the mixture is completely smooth and all ingredients are fully incorporated. Give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings to your liking. This ranch is wonderfully versatile. For an extra bright flavor, try adding 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. If you enjoy a little heat, a small pinch of cayenne pepper can add a delightful kick without overpowering the other flavors. Once prepared, transfer your delicious homemade ranch sauce to an airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator, and it will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 5 days, ready for all your dipping and dressing needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.